Okay guys, this is my Hooga Grounding Mat, and this thing is awesome. I work in an office all day, and it's tough. It's tough being indoors, sitting down. We're not meant to do that. If you're just new into what grounding is, there's a lot of stuff you can look up on that, and so I highly recommend you look into grounding. But if you're here, I feel like you've heard about grounding, and now you're wondering, does this mat really work? And so I can confirm 100% it does. I've tested it. You can see you have this cord here that plugs into the mat. I have that plugged into this right here, into your ground. So you plug that in, and I will show you a quick test. I've got this tester here, which will test the current to see if it's actually working and if you're actually being grounded. So you can see, hold the button down, this thing will turn green. It is grounded. When I take it off the mat, it turns off. Again, back on the mat, we're fully grounded, and back off. So I use this thing all the time. I stand on it, I work with my feet on it. You can put it here on your desk as well, put your hands on it, so I highly recommend it.